At Inspection Manager, we've come up with a solution to help you stay on track with your routine inspections during this time. We've worked hard and fast-tracked a new feature called Tenant Assisted Inspections. This simple feature will allow tenants to complete comments, add media, and submit maintenance items, so you don't need to attend the property. What you need to do is log into your Inspection Manager account. We're going to look for our property for the tenant to complete the inspection. Once we've located the property, we click here and go Add a new inspection. We select the type of inspection as routine. Select the inspector and time and date as usual. Once we've added the inspection, you're going to see a new button called Request TAI. TAI stands for Tenant Assisted Inspection. Once we've clicked this, our Inspection Manager email system will come up. To make life easier for you, we've added a default Tenant Assisted template. Simply insert this and you're ready to send the routine off to the tenant. We've also provided some instructions on what the tenant needs to do. If you do not wish to use the email system, you can also generate a unique report link that you can easily send to the tenant. It's now time for the tenant to complete their inspection. From their device, they just need to go into their email. In the email, it'll have the instructions and the report link. This will direct them to our new tenant-facing platform called Property Space. They need to follow some simple instructions to get into the inspection. This is what our tenant routine inspection looks like. In each area, they'll need to enter comments and add photos. At this point, once the tenants finish their inspection, all they need to do is hit I'm done and then send. This will send the inspection back to the CMS where you'll see the inspection is in completed status. At this point, you can view the report as usual and then make any edits that you need to the inspection. You can do this via the online editing system. Once the inspection is finalised and you've made any edits that you need to, as usual, all you need to do is close the inspection. You can then either download a copy or send the report through the CMS. We hope this feature helps you out during this time. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support team.